This is Paul. Um, the order of garnishment? Yeah. hmm Permanent parenting plan. Guam Child Support Enforcement Division? Yeah. hmm just so that you know what you need to be able to really motion the child support services. Yes. Anytime an individual is named as a defendant in any court case where they're deemed indigent, yeah, let's go ahead. May 29th of 2012. Ooh, when being arraigned, yes, and being served the dissolution of marriage at the same time. I know you wanted some proof that I shouldn't have been paying child support to the tune of $1,500 a month. Yeah, but I would say, as an indigent that had no assets at the time of being served the dissolution of marriage and the arrest that took place, yeah, and the speedy trial that I experienced where I was found not guilty, yes, that child support should know at any time that the individual that is legally liable for the child support order, the debtor, yeah, the obligor, non custodial parent, that any time that you qualify for indigent status so as to receive what is known as public defender, yeah, mm, that the child support order should immediately be adjusted for your actual assets and income at that time. Poop. Now, I think there's a real lawsuit in this. Yes. See, the courts, they kind of think this is funny. Yes. Well, she petitioned the court for dissolution of marriage. Yes. And served me at the same time. As the arrest, yes, and then I fill out the forms for the financial aid necessary, yes, to have a public defender defend me. Poop. Not thinking that, well, I didn't even have to respond until the 24th of August. Poop. And since I didn't get any notice of the actual court hearings, yeah, child support order. mm, let's see here. Failure to pay legal child support obligations. Yes. 18 U.S. Code 228. The child support order. Yeah. A child exploitation obscenity section. Yes. The Deadbeat Parents Act. Soap. The relocating necessary. Other you well. I can look on the state court website. Yes. Search for my own last name. Uh, order or decree for child support. Yes. Compliance with RCW 26.23.050. Every court order or decree establishing a child support obligation shall be entered in compliance with the provisions of RCW 26.23.050, inclusive of the indigent status of any defendant that is eligible for public defender's services because of not having an income or any assets. Now, pictures. Fraud, felony, child abduction, yes. Kidnapping, contempt of court, yes. Motion for default dissolution of marriage with a child support worksheets naming me as the individual that should be able to earn the median income. Yes. While at the same time being eligible for indigent public defender services. Yeah. The obligation of the court, known as the Family Law Commissioner, to take into consideration. Yeah. That the individual that was represented by the public defender's office has my actual finances. The idea that the court should not consider the indigent status of the defendant, yeah, when going through a dissolution of marriage, yeah. The whole thought, yes, that it's not fraudulent to request $1,500 a month, yes, $81,615. The concept, yes, that the courts are not liable for child support orders and the information used to present to the child support that at the time of the garnishment of $81,615, your child support order should not have gotten past, yes, May 27th of 2012, yes, at the time of the arrest. 3 days after petitioning the court for dissolution of marriage, yes, for the entrapment of the false accusation of violating the protection order. Yeah. As soon as I was arrested, Pooch, there was assigned to me an individual at the time of the arraignment. Yes, the Clallam County Public Defender's Office. Yeah. And then been released on the 29th of May of 2012 as the indigent status of an individual living in a fifth wheel volunteering to clean the church. The thought of the court issuing a child support order when at the same time I was on trial from May 29th of 2012 until July 24th of 2012. Yeah, when you renewed the protection order on July 6th of 2012, when my wife motioned for default dissolution of marriage.